Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw Baby Yoda in a pumpkin, so let's get started. First, draw this curve in the center of the page for the top of his head, but make sure you leave plenty of room for his big ears on both sides. Next, draw one slightly curved line on the right-hand side for the top of his ear. Then do the same thing on the left side. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always slow the video or hit pause. Next, draw two small lines for either side of his face. Then add one long flat line for the bottom of his head. Next, we'll draw a line for the bottom of his ear and bring it to a point. And then do the same thing on the left side like this. The next thing we need to do is start the outline for the pumpkin behind Baby Yoda's head. And then draw a line for the inside of his ear on the left side and then on the right. Now we'll draw two tiny hands with claws. And we'll continue the line for the opening of the pumpkin and show that his hands are resting on the edge. Now add 4 lines to the top of his head like this. And here comes my favorite part. Draw 2 large circles for the eyes. Then draw 2 reflection circles in each eye. A tiny line for his nose, and a cute little smile underneath. Now that our basic drawing of Baby Yoda is done, it's time to finish up the pumpkin. Draw one more curve across the top. And then continue that line underneath like this. Now we'll draw a U shape for the bottom of the pumpkin. And 2 curves to start the jack-o'-lantern eyes. We'll make these eyes crescent-shaped to appear as if they're looking up at Baby Yoda. Now add a small round nose and a smile, and our jack-o'-lantern is almost done. After these details, it's time to ink in the dark spaces. So here's Baby Yoda all inked in. I filled in all the shadows around his head, where he's resting inside the jack-o'-lantern, as well as the jack-o'-lantern's face, and those big, cute Baby Yoda eyes. And here he is all finished, Baby Yoda in a pumpkin. I colored the inside of his ears pink, which goes well with the orange jack-o'-lantern and his green skin. I had a lot of fun drawing Baby Yoda, and I hope you had fun too. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.